To change watch faces on Google Pixel Watch 3, first of all you will have to click and hold with your finger on this watch face, and now by sliding to the left or the right side you are able to pick the different watch faces. And when you scroll all the way into the right side, you can actually click here to add the new watch faces. Take a look. So we get some kind of the categories, as you can see. And when we go back from this one, I mean, we can just click here and just select this one, but I want to show you how we can actually go here, and when you scroll all the way down, you can even get more watch faces by going into the Google Play Store. And here you can find some Starfield faces, watch face spotlight, and stuff like this. So you can actually get the additional watch faces if you want. For some of them you will have to pay, but also you can find a lot of free watch faces. Thanks for watching.